Hey guys, happy new year and happy Christmas all the same. It's your girl Mimi, as you know it. Guys, what are we doing today? What are we making, guys? We're making fish video today. Yeah, I have this croaker fish I bought from the water side. Yeah, I had to go to Tangier myself to get it, and fresh, well washed and clean. So we're going to be making this video today together, guys. Yep. So guys, for the seasoning, I'll be using my powder onion, yeah, for fish spices for the seasoning, and my curry powder. Yeah, I'll be using that for the seasoning. Yeah. Okay, guys, I had to come with this video. It's been long. I've been planning for this. Yeah. So today, I decided to make it and bring it to you guys. You can make this fast for unexpected visitor. Just dash into your fridge, bring it out, spice it, and just make it ready with your microwave or anything. Yeah. Okay. Still on the process. So guys, while this is processing, I will just go and make the sauce for this fish. Yeah. We go to make the sauce ready for this. Yeah. See you guys in a bit. So guys, I'm just going to explain all that I have here. Blended together. And then I'm frying now. I'm just going to explain them. So I have my onions. Here I have my spring onions, a lot of it, seriously. And my red pepper and my ginger and garlic mix together for the fish. So in next I have my curry powder. You can see it's dry and ready to be used for the fish. So let's go straight to the fish. So guys, I have my sauce ready for this. As you can see, this is all the ingredients mixed together, like I explained in the video. Yeah, while making this sauce. Yeah, everything is there: ginger, spring onions, red pepper, and so. So make sure you go in, like rub it in everywhere, in and out. So it will be tasty, Oh guys. And sometimes when you have your friends around, you can just make something like this for them. Quick, and can use it to drink wine, alcohol, anything, beer, yeah, or juice, or coke. Anything goes for this, guys. Anything goes. So, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel, yeah, subscribe. Let's grow. Let's move. About time. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. You know Mimi loves you. You know your girl, your sweet girl. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me that encouragement that I need to grow our channel. Subscribe, guys. Like, share if you care. Do that. Share. Share the video. Don't watch alone. Okay? And don't forget to like and comment. Say your mind. Tell me, am I doing this well or not? How is it done? You can tell me your opinion. Your opinion is important too here. Very, very important. Don't hesitate to say your mind. Don't hesitate to say your mind. Yeah, this is ready to go to the microwave. Hey guys, this is the end of the video. And I'm just going to dive and eat. Guys, join me, join me. Ooh, this is hot. Oops, so hot. Can't even dish my hand. Ooh. But I have to eat now. Guys, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh, this is good. Gosh. Guys, like, I can't even lie. This is not because I'm the maker of this, but because it's the truth. It's so nice. Yummy and spicy. Yeah. It's very hot. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. Guys, wow. Okay, guys, I really need to go off camera right now to enjoy my fish. Like, subscribe to this channel, like our video, share, and good comments. Yeah. Like I said before, your opinion matters a lot in this our channel. So, subscribe and comment. Share my video if you care. Mimi loves you. Okay, guys. Bye for now. See you in my next episode. I sign out.